In the western part of the Indian subcontinent lies the enchanting state of Rajasthan, offering an interesting insight into Indian royalty, rich traditions, a vivid culture, and mystifying landscapes. For centuries, travelers, invaders, merchants, and migrants have been fascinated by these dry lands. The undulating golden sand dunes in the Thar Desert, cities nestling in the almost imposing Aravalli Hills. The splendid clear-water lakes and the fresh breezes of this region, all these natural delights call upon the weary travelers to shake off their worries and burdens and just relax. Alongside the natural beauty, there are countless forts and palaces or historical temples in every district of Rajasthan that remind us of its royal heritage. The desert land is also famous for its exquisite dances, colorful costumes, and mouth-watering cuisine. A short drive from New Delhi in the north of Rajasthan is the former princely state and capital, the Pink City, Jaipur. The metropolitan city Jaipur is a preferred destination for volunteers who would like to use their knowledge, experience, and skills to contribute to the development in the area. IDEX offers various possibilities to international volunteers when it comes to traveling and working here. With IDEX staff working in various low-resource communities like Ambedkar Nagar and Katputli Nagar in Jaipur, there are countless opportunities for volunteering and local interactions.
Cut this one. And eyes, nose and mouth, please. And they buy even in a 10 rupees this photo. And they are doing drying, eyebrow, hairs and paint this face also.
These impoverished communities have long ignored education, women empowerment and healthcare, as they are still struggling for minimum requirements like drinkable water, food and subsistence. The latest census indicates that more than 50% of women in Rajasthan cannot read or write, and sex ratio reveals a shortage of 645,000 girls in Rajasthan. As the 2010 report highlights the pathetic condition of the quality of education in rural India, 47% children in grade 1 are unable to read or write anything, while 87.6% grade 8 students cannot even read grade 2 books. There are so many issues that need to be addressed, but few organizations or individuals who are willing to spend their precious time here. IDEX facilitates volunteer contributions in these marginalized communities in the areas of education with both women and children. If you are looking to enrich your life with experiential education, cultural immersion, philosophic meditation, or spiritual encounters, India is the place. If pleasant explorations and community interactions are your interest, and if you feel a need to help create sustainable development in low-resourced communities, if you would like to soothe your soul in the natural beauty of the desert, we welcome you to the breathtaking Rajasthan. Combine travel with volunteering, thus making the most during your trip, which will take you to the main Golden Triangle cities: New Delhi, the capital of India; Agra, the World Heritage Site Taj Mahal. From there, you arrive in Jaipur for an orientation about volunteering and Indian culture, as well as sightseeing and shopping, and even staying with local families. During your time at the project, you will have exciting opportunities to visit icon places such as Jaisalmer, the Golden City of Rajasthan, Udaipur, the city of lakes, Pushkar, the ancient holy city of the Hindus, Bharatpur, the world-famous bird sanctuary, and Ranthambore, the place for tiger safaris. Even apart from all of these, you would find endless local attractions within your region: camel safaris, elephant rides, music and dance programs. We believe that your trip to India should become a lifetime experience, and in making this happen, we like to do our best, like offering cultural workshops in henna painting, Indian cooking, Hindi classes, sari wearing, yoga sessions, Bollywood dancing and so much more. IDEX volunteer program brings you an excellent opportunity to share your enthusiasm with people less privileged than you, to bring smiles to the distressed, to bring awareness and care to the needy, even to help someone's dreams come true, and most importantly, to restore your energy. The Pink City is calling you. Come, travel and volunteer in Jaipur.